Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to join these squares with two different ways. That's the first one. It's like a weed or a zipper. And that's the second. That one is easier. Actually, both of them are so easy to make. I saw this way on a bag, this mango bag, and I want to use it for the bag I will make with the squares, and I want to show you clearly how to make it. And maybe you know this, maybe you saw this one before. I'm gonna use 4.5mm hook and cotton yarns, and that's all. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Now for the first way, I'm gonna use same color with here. Put these squares together. Right sides are looking inside and wrong side face to us. Make a slip knot. Insert into the corner and make a single crochet. Now I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 stitches here. You could have more or less. And I have 3 chains here and here. For one side, I'm gonna use 2 of these chains and 2 of this one. So I have 19 stitches. 18 is multiples of 3 plus 1. I'm gonna use these numbers. If you have different numbers, you can use multiples of 4 or 5 or 2 maybe, and you will need one more stitch. Now I'm gonna show you and you can understand it easily, but I want to explain this first. Now that's the first one. That's my second chain. If you count this one too, that's third chain, last chain. That's the better way, I think. Insert this last chain's front loop and last chains again, back loop. That's the front loop, that's the back loop. Insert back loop, grab the yarn, make a single crochet, and into this stitch, front loop, back loop, make a single crochet. So far it will look like that. Now that's the only move we will make different than these ones. We will use both loops for the third stitch. Okay, don't count this one. We made 1, 2 into the third. We are gonna use both loops, grab the yarn, make a single crochet. Use the front loop, back loop, single crochet, front loop, back loop, single crochet, use both loops, and make a single crochet, and that's how it looks. That's the single crochets we use both loops. Now I will repeat this. Front loop, back loop, front loop, back loop, and both loops. I try to explain this in the beginning. If you have different numbers, you could make 1, 2, maybe 3, then use the both loops, you can make here longer. One, 2, 3, and that's the last stitch. 1, and into these chains insert into the front loop, and this one's back loop, join and make a single crochet around these two. Chain 1, grab the next 2, put the right side inside, insert here, make a single crochet, then again into first chains from the hook, use the front loop, use the back loop, single crochet, front loop, back loop, single crochet, both loops. That's all, just repeat this and complete the joining. I made 2 again and make a single crochet into the corner, chain 1 and attach the other ones as long as you want. And when you complete here, you will turn them this way. Again, right side are inside. You're gonna start from here, make the same things. When you reach here, you're gonna put a single crochet from the both loops. Then you will use front loop, back loop, front loop, back loop from this chain and make a single crochet around these two. Chain 1, make a single crochet from the front loop, back loop, and from the front loop, back loop again. Just keep joining. It's so simple. I think you can make it easily from now on. And I'm gonna show you the other way. I could show you from here. This time we will use front side, make a slip knot, I will start from this second chain, insert into this second chain, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch, grab the other one, insert into the middle chain, I'm gonna keep this yarn under my hook, grab it, make a slip stitch. You don't have to insert into these chains, but into these corners it's better if you use the chains while you are starting and at the end. Okay, for the rest you can insert here, make a slip stitch, insert here. You don't have to insert the chain, make a slip stitch, insert into this first stitch, grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. Try not to make this slip stitch too tight. Insert the next one from here. That's the first stitch again. Make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch. It's like a zipper. I'm gonna repeat this, see you at the corner. That's the last one. And I have one more here. Insert into the corner. Make a slip stitch into the corner. You see there's a chain. If you haven't joined here, you will not have this problem. If you made this one before like this way, you are gonna work in front of it like I do right now. Suppose think that we have this joining here, we're gonna work in front of it. Put one more into the corner. So I want to show you one more time. I put one here first, one here, one more here, and here. We totally put 2 and 2. Then skip this joining. If you want, you can make a chain, but I don't. You can just lose this loop a little bit. Insert here, make a slip stitch here, make a slip stitch, one more into same place, and one more into same place, and inside into the first stitch, make one, make one. Keep going. In the end, I'm gonna put one here, one here, one, and 2. And directly attach the other 2 and keep going with this way as long as you want. As I told you before, when you make the last one, it's better to insert into the chains here. And that's all. These two are so easy methods. I hope you like them. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my Pinterest, Ravelry, Etsy website address too. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.